Big data is everywhere these days. It accumulates through our phone usage, finances, healthcare, meal deliveries, and even in tracking how our favorite cereal lands on a grocery store shelf. An increasing number of companies want to take advantage of this big data trend by using cutting-edge analytics or data science methods. But winning with big data analytics is not easy, and far too many analytics innovations fail to create real value. For many existing companies, big data analytics exacerbates uncertainty and challenges the way they innovate. To understand how efforts to create value with big data analytics can change innovation processes, researchers studied the innovation practices of a large IT vendor and its client, a food distributor with nearly $50 billion in annual sales. Both companies sought to maintain industry-leading positions in the face of technological disruptions. Their relationship began with a traditional vendor-client service relationship, where the IT vendor recommended solutions to match the client's specifications. But the process kept stalling until the vendor shifted its service approach to a learning model, in which both vendor and client experimented together to learn how to create value with big analytics. Researchers tracked the vendor and client through multiple big data analytics projects and found that while many projects failed, a few successes helped set each company on new innovation trajectories. Wonder how established companies can learn to innovate and create value with big data analytics? If so, you may want to read this paper.